haven't used Camelback in so long. It still works. I am white as fuck. Oh my god. I put so much sunscreen on. Got my Kylo Ren hat on Etsy. We are in Lumpkin, Georgia at this, was it Providence? Providence Canyon Park. And we are going to hike. Say hi, Alex.
Hi.
That's Alex. I'm Jacquelin. Oh my god, these wasps are gonna be fucking killing me. Alex is like, fuck it, whatever. She's prepared. I'm prepared. We got the Camelback on the back. We're gonna check out this park. It's supposed to have a bunch of canyons. It's like mini canyons, like the Grand Canyon. But maybe it's just like a rock and it's not actually a canyon, but we're gonna look at it and give you the review, the canyon review. Alice in Wonderland shit.
It feels like it. All the dandelions.
Alex got a stick, she's got weapons, she's ready. You can tell I haven't been in a public place in like 14 months. Not even a park.
At least there's no one here.
Yeah, which is also kind of creepy, but whatever.
There's some people back there.
Yeah.
It's not like we're alone.
No. It's during the day. We're fine.
Should be. Sure, it's this way too. It's the adventure. It's the journey. That's more exciting. You want to know how I got to this journey? You want to know how I got to this canyon?
You want to know how I got this Camelback?
You want to know how I got these sticks?
You want to know how I'm running away from bees every 2 seconds?
They're probably down on the canyon floor.
No, like my camera wasn't. I think I got bug spray in my eye.
Oops.
Oh, it's red in Topeka. Oh my god. Look at this.
The wildest ride in the wilderness.
The wildest ride in the wilderness.
Because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
What is that roller coaster called?
Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain. We're on the real Thunder Mountain. Steep.
Just nature things.
Nature things. Oh my god, that's scary. This reminds me of walking up the Hollywood sign.
It's an uphill battle.
It's kind of cute.
Struggling. What is this? A creek.
This is a creek?
Yeah.
Whoa. What happens if it's like full as fuck?
Rain. Especially
Which way do we
since it hasn't
go?
rained in a while.
Canyon 1 through 5, 3-mile trail.
Yeah, we want the 3-mile trail.
Is it that way or that way?
To go that
This way?
It says to go straight, like on the sign. What does the sign down there say?
I don't know. Come on. Let me see if I can see it in my camera. I can't read it. Canyon 1 through 3.
That's why it says food and water.
We're gonna cross.
You can go over the log if you want.
I don't think
I
I.
have waterproof shoes, so.
Yeah, this isn't working. Looks like it has sugar on it.
It's probably silk.
Yeah. This is cool.
Up to you.
Haha, get it? Get it up to you. Get it? Yeah, let's go. Oh, this like a cloth? A plant cloth? Working those glutes. Yeah, buns and thighs. Buns and thighs. The glutes. The cake. Yeah, White Blaze Canyon Trail. Oh my god, we're in Endor. It looks like a giant, like, turtle shell or crocodile or... Looks pretty cool. Oh my... I'm gonna flinch when the bugs...
What?
How are we doing, Alex?
Hang in there.
Is it break time?
It's water time.
It's camel time. Brought to you by Camelback. Not sponsored. And
Smart
Smart
Water.
Smart Water ad. Ding ding ding. This is the best invention. the camelback.
Camelback, yeah.
Oh my god. Like, you don't have to carry anything. Snack attack, it's snack. Snack attack, snack attack, snack. Brought to you by Lance. Ah. Yeah, maybe it was two.
And then apart, and then together, and then vice versa.
I don't know. It's... like how this moss is just like right here. Oh my god. These bees are gonna be the bee of me. Which way? We're going left, right?
I'm going left.
All right, here on Bear Grylls. I don't know what I'm saying. No, we're just running into like wasps and ants and other weird bugs. And we ran into some people, but that's about it. The steep hill going up is tough. But we got this.
I was gonna go for like another mile, like uphill, and I'm like,
Oh.
I don't think I could do that.
No, I mean like it's a shorter trail, so
Yeah.
I think we're good. I'll shake them. He's peely. Oh damn. Old homestead. No, I'm just trying to see. We have to keep going that way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The event horizon over there.
I think there were some spots.
Excuse me. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why. It's hot. Ayo. Hey up. That's dope.
You can see where we were, where the creek is.
Oh, I see. Okay. So if we went right
We went left.
or left?
Yeah.
Okay. Fired.
So we still
Or
have to
hurt
go
yourself.
back.
I missed a real Grand Canyon.
I haven't been to the Grand Canyon yet.
Oh, you haven't?
No.
Well, let's go there. Oh, fuck. Let's do it. The sound of a lawnmower.
Just love the sound of nature in Georgia.
God damn it. It was nice when we were walking.
It was nice. The forest was quiet. Aside from this girl was talking.
I want to go to Malibu.
I want to go to California. Shut up.
I like your tattoo.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh, this is blurry as fuck. Well, partner. We're done for today. We're tired and sweaty. We're gonna go back home. Probably go back to another park soon at some point. You had fun? Yeah, it was cool. It was a cool park. If you want to see a mini canyon in the East Coast, go to Providence Canyon Park in Lumpkin, Georgia.